We at Sallisaw High School are very grateful for the grant we received from the Oklahoma Educational Technology Trust. With the help of OETT, our district has been able to make purchases such as studio cameras, video and audio equipment, drone technology, and the capabilities of print production using a large format printer and laminator. Using the studio cameras and audio, video equipment, our high school was able to create a new media production class. Black Diamond Productions, the new Sallisaw High School news outlet, was started through the help of the new equipment. Black Diamond Productions episodes are posted to YouTube and Facebook, which have received hundreds of views.
We received a grant from the OETT to purchase media production equipment.
I've learned how to talk to people. I've gotten really good at interviewing people and knowing what to ask them. And I know how to work the cameras now and the audio. It's been a really fun class to hang out with my friends in.
The most challenging part, at first, I was not very comfortable on the camera, and I'm not very good at editing.
Something I really enjoy about media productions is definitely going out there to our community and getting to see everyone and interview everyone and seeing how they enjoy these events.
I mainly edit videos, but if we do need a person, I will be the anchor for the week productive.
We're the sports anchors, and we give the details about the sport. Sometimes we're filling in other roles, but we're mainly the talkers of the show.
Yeah, I feel like this year we just let the people know about all the sport activities that we're going throughout the school, and I think we did a great job.
About video editing, it's probably making sure everything is perfect, no gaps in the videos, audio.
Using new drone technology, our students have experienced new methods of learning through classroom instruction, hands-on projects, or experiencing a once-in-a-lifetime phenomena. Drone technology will elevate the learning experiences of Sallisaw students for both current and future students. With the new large-format printing technology, we were able to produce many banners, graphics, and even door wraps. The district was able to provide additional professional development training for staff members so that students and staff will be able to continue to become self-sufficient in printing services, creating real-world experiences and opportunities for our students now and in the future. The future of Sallisaw schools is looking bright. OETT has helped pave the way for our future success. Thank you, OETT.
I want to leave you today with a beautiful quote by Maya Angelou. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Thank you.